Good morning! I'm so happy to be here with you and sharing my first ever 5 minutes to freedom. So what does 5 minutes to freedom mean? Well, we all want to be free in life. We want to have the ability to do what we want, say what we want, be who we are without inhibition. We want to pursue our dreams and our goals. We want to have dreams and goals. But how do we figure out what our dreams and goals are? All of these things are part of being free, being alive, being connected to who we are. So this morning, after I ate my breakfast, I decided, let's start it. 5 minutes to freedom. So I hope that you find the inspiration in this message today and decide to join me on a regular basis to listen for 5 minutes every day to a practice that you can do that may encourage you to be more free, more you, and more alive. Because that's what life is all about. If we want to be happy, we have to make it. I know that I'm making my own happiness every day. And when I'm not happy, yeah, sure, there are things that happen, but I have the choice in how I respond. The only way you have the choice is if you understand how and why you are free. So that's going to be me. I'm going to help show you everything that I know to be free. Today I'd like to start with a quick tip. A tip on food, actually. So often we don't believe that food has anything to do with the rest of our life. But if you work with me, you'll soon find out that food is actually almost everything to do with our life, because our food literally becomes the cells of our body. As we digest and absorb, we transform who we are into something more or something less, depending on what we eat. So to keep our energy levels high, we have to eat in a way that supports our body's well-being. Now here's the trick. We cannot all eat the same. Nope. What your body wants is different from what my body wants. So how do we figure this out? Well, a lot of it is trial and error. Some of it's intuition. Some of it's just observing, sitting, being in a silent space with yourself before you decide to even pick out what you're going to eat for the day. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out through the bottoms of your feet. And feel that inner peace for just a second before you decide what you're going to eat. So what's the value in doing this? Well, when we have an inner silence, we're less prone to pick something out of habit. It's our habits that create so much of our life, but what happens is our habits keep us the same. And I don't know about you, but I want to grow. I want to shift. I want to change, and I want to help others do that too. So if you're on the same page as me, which if you're watching this video, I bet you are, you're going to want to take a moment to not let your habits and patterns keep you stuck eating the same foods every day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You want to figure out what is it that you need. So coming into that silent space, letting your energy move down into the feet so that you feel grounded, that will help, even just a few seconds. So see what you can do today before you eat to figure out what it is that you really want. So from that silent space, you just ask yourself the question, what would feel really good for my body right now? Word it in a way that works with you. Don't take my words. Create your own. Because what we do together is about empowering you. Yeah, you are amazing. And you have all the tools within you. My job is to just help show you how many of those you have. So take that moment, word the phrase in a way that feels succulent and juicy to you. What is it that my body needs today? And go for it. See what happens. Observe after you eat. So there you go. There's our 5 minutes to freedom for today, our first ever video. And I really hope you share. Share with me in the comments what you thought and what happens for you after you try this practice. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to share so many more with you soon. Have a wonderful day.